In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho Books certification. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the registration form without missing anything important. Have your basic details ready, your name, company information, and a reachable phone number, and make sure you have a stable connection so the form saves correctly. Start by opening the Zoho Books homepage. This simply places you inside the Zoho ecosystem and helps you confirm you're in the right place. If you see a prompt to sign in, that's normal. Being signed in can streamline the process later. From there, head over to Zoho's training and certification page. You can navigate through Zoho's site to the certification section, or open it directly if you already have the link. Either way, you should land on a page that outlines Zoho's training tracks and certifications, including the options relevant to bookkeeping, finance, and inventory. On the certification page, look for the button labeled Register Now and click it. That opens the official registration form you'll use to sign up. Take a moment to let the page load fully. If a field appears disabled for a second, just give it a breath and then continue. At the top of the form, open the user type dropdown. Choose the option that best reflects who you are. In this walkthrough, we're selecting partner to match the on-screen flow. Picking the correct category helps Zoho route you to the right certification track and support resources. If you're part of a firm, partner is often appropriate. If not, choose the category that aligns with your role. The rest of the process is similar either way. Click into the first name field and enter your first name exactly as you want it to appear on your certificate. Using your legal name or the name you use professionally helps avoid confusion later. Next, move to the last name field and type your last name, again, matching how you'd like it displayed on official records. Now click the company name field and enter your organization's name. If you're independent or a sole proprietor, use the business name you operate under. Consistency with what appears on your invoices or your partner profile is helpful, especially for verification or listing purposes. Find the phone field and type your phone number carefully. Include the country code if the form expects it, and double check for typos. This may be used for confirmations or logistics around scheduling. If you prefer a direct mobile number for time-sensitive messages, use that. Scroll to the section that lists certification choices. You'll see multiple options across Zoho products. Browse briefly so you're aware of what's available. For this demonstration, select Inventory Professional. This path is commonly linked with operations and finance workflows and often complements Zoho Books skills. Choosing a track here tells Zoho what content and assessments to prepare for you. Open the country dropdown and select your country. This ensures the right regional details, like time zones, local policies, or pricing, are applied. If you travel frequently, choose the country where you'll actually be taking the training or exam. When you reach the verification code field, click inside it and type the code exactly as shown on the page. This is a standard anti-spam step. If the code isn't clear, use the refresh or audio option if available. Finally, press Submit. Give the page a moment to process. After submission, you should see a confirmation on screen, and typically, you'll receive a follow-up message with next steps. Keep an eye on your inbox, including spam or promotions, in case the message gets filtered. If you don't see anything after a reasonable wait, revisit the form and confirm your phone and region were entered correctly, then check your Zoho account notifications. That's it. You've navigated to the right page, selected the appropriate user type, entered your details, chosen a certification track, verified the code, and submitted the form. You're now set up to continue toward your Zoho Books related certification with confidence.